In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize JustPlay's import wizard within your presentation sections inside of JustPlay. As you can see, we are inside of this offense playbook presentation that I created, and I went ahead and added 3 plays down below. Now I'm going to show you how to utilize the import wizard to add video into these 3 plays and also create new plays within this presentation. First off, you want to make sure that the plays you want to add video to are active so that they show up in the wizard. Then I'm going to go up to Actions and go down the SportsCode wizard, where then you can drag and drop your SportsCode file into this box or go ahead and browse for that package file like I'm about to do. Once I go ahead and I select that, it will open up that package inside of the wizard, and now I can pick and choose which codes and labels I want to send to what destination. If you want to change which headers you have right here to choose from, come up to this gray bar right here and select which one you want, or you can come over to the columns and use section and utilize that to turn them on and off. Now I'm going to go ahead and select what I want, so I know all of the plays I want to add are under cut right here, which is only one for this play, and then now I can choose my destination. So once I open that up, you will see I have the 3 plays that are active and added to this presentation down below that I can select from, which I'll do now. Then I can add a new row and go on to the next one. Let's just go on down the line and do those 3. And then now I even have the ability to add a new play within this presentation, to which I can then afterwards go in and add the diagram for. I'll click new row again, pick what I want, and then I can just click new play right here. It will name it what you have over here on the left, but you can type in here and add whatever you want. So let's say this is another option off of this 15 play. Then I can go ahead and click next. As we can see, now we are on to the naming section of this. We can go ahead and see what our destination is, so 15 all the way to that new play that we just added, and here is what those clips are going to be named. You have the naming template up top that you can choose to name them as, or you can just type in this box right here and that will be the name of the clip. If you want to preview the clip to make sure that you have the right one, you can go over to this blue hyperlink, click on that, and that will play the clip for you so you can tell if that's correct. And then you have 2 different places to go ahead and choose what kind of clips you want to add. So right here you have this drop down which says import as individual clips or as a single video, which will then combine all those clips into one for each destination. Or down at the bottom next to the import button, you have the up arrow that has the same options there. Next to the import button, you have the overlay text enabled. That is blue, so we do have that turned on. If I click on that, you'll see that you have a bunch of different overlay settings that you can adjust to then get put on those video clips there. Since I do have this enabled, that is why it's blue. If I uncheck that, it will turn black, so that's how you can tell if it is on or off. You can go ahead and click close to get out of your overlay settings, and we see those are off, and then now we can go ahead and click import. You will get that message in the bottom right corner showing you that these clips are being added. So once that is done, that will load up to 100%. You'll see the video icon here go from 0 to an orange number. So that's how you know those clips were added to each one. Now we can see that that is complete. Our new play has been added, and so have our video clips. I can click into one of these plays and go over to videos and files, and you'll see that these clips are just transcoding, which means we are just doing something to those clips on the back end to make sure that they play on all devices. Should not take long to finish transcoding, and those clips will be available for everyone to watch. And that is how you utilize the SportsCode import wizard inside of presentations.